Hi YouTube. Today we are going to be testing my firearm system. First we have our Wheel-Lock MC, simplex horn, and a Wheel-Lock remote strobe. So the first one we're going to be doing is the EMT. Now simplex horn. Now you'll be hearing them do code 3. Hang on, I gotta tell my mom. Hey Mom, I'm gonna be doing code 3 and March time. I'm gonna be doing the codings March time and code 3 on them. I'm gonna be doing the 2 codes called code 3 in March time on the horns. What it will sound like is and then what's that?
They better not go off for more than a couple of seconds. That was way too long that last time.
Okay. I'll only do code March time then. Here we go for March time. Actually, no, they're done, Mom. You're not going to be doing the smoke alarm, Mom. So here we go. The smoke alarm. It's a family card. So. Okay. That's it for the alarms, Mom. Okay. Now, YouTube, I have a question for anyone that has a Grand Theft Auto San Andreas for the PS2. I insert cheats, but they don't actually work. Is that supposed to happen? I mean, I don't know how I can't get them to work. If anybody can tell me that, that would be great. Once again, this is Grand Theft Auto for the San Andreas. Yeah, as you can see on the cover. And then PlayStation 2, it's what it's for. Yes, I finally got it. Yeah, if anybody can tell me how that should work. Yes, bye.